How to set only admin can send messages to WhatsApp group. If any day you are a WhatsApp user and you have a WhatsApp group and you would like to set that only the admins of the WhatsApp group can send messages to the WhatsApp group, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very WhatsApp application on your mobile device. After that, now you have to go to of the very group where you are the admin of, because if you are not the admin of the very group, you cannot do the following processes. Therefore, first of all, you have to tap on the very group of which you are an admin. After that, you have to go to the three dots on the top and then go to the option of the group info. After tapping on group info, now you can see an interface like this. Here you have to tap on the option of the group permissions. After tapping on group permission, now you can see an interface like this. Here you have to set the setting that members can send messages, add other members and all of those. Now you have to turn off the option of add other members, and you also have to turn off the option of the send messages here. And this way only the admin will be able to send messages to the group and the other members want. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.